I undertook a challenge to transform my utility room in one weekend, just 48 hours. There's lots to do. I'm going to be colour trenching the walls and ceiling in the same colour. Not only is it easier as I don't have to cut in around the ceiling, but it can make smaller rooms appear bigger too. We have dated tiles that will be painted to save some money, and the countertop is a little dark for the vision that I have, so we'll see how wrapping it in sticky back plastic goes. One thing I'd love to try is painting the cupboard doors a different colour to bring some life to the room. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for lots of DIY, and I hope you enjoy the video. This wall colour is maybe not transparent on the camera as such, but it's coming up quite a lilac colour. I definitely thought it was going to be much more of a very pale mushroom, you know, standard neutral vibes from me. I don't hate it, I'm just a little bit worried about the other paint colours that I've chosen, which might affect the pairing with like the green cabinets and the marble top, etc. I'm not sure what this board is, but I think I'm going to take it out. I have a feeling that the skirting board is sat on top of it, so I'm going to rip that off, keep that to the side and reinstall it after I'm finished painting. Sexy red wallpaper with a seashell border trim. Put one coat of the paint on the walls and the ceiling, so it's been colour drenched. At first I thought the colour was quite lilac-y, but actually it's settling and it's turned into a bit more of a light mocha brown, which is nice. We've also done one coat of tile paint on the tiles. If you're wondering, we're using this kitchen tile paint by Rust-Oleum. You don't need a primer or a sealer with this. It actually seems like it's drying on really well. It's not coming off, it's not budging. I'm gonna leave it another hour or so to dry in, and then I'll do a second coat on that because it is very, very gappy with the brush strokes. This is the paint that I'm gonna use for the cupboards. This is the Rust-Oleum kitchen cupboard paint. I've used this before, and this is a washable paint as well. I used this a few years ago in a kitchen and it's still holding up really well. This is in the colour Bramwell, so it's a really nice green. It's not a sage green, it's more of like a fresh green colour, but I think it's going to look really nice on these cabinets, on the skirting and on this little bit here. And then once that's all done, I'll be able to wrap the countertop and it'll be pretty much finished without accessories. Day 2 of our little renovation project in the utility room. We are off to a great start. I think we're going to wrap up today. This is probably the shortest project ever. So this is how we're looking. The ceiling and the walls are colour drenched. The tiles have been given a new lease of life with this white paint. And even the cabinet colour is so gorgeous. I need to fix this door. So the next project I have to do is to wrap this worktop. And I've got this marble style sticky back plastic. I'm going to unravel it, stick it all down across the side, across the sink, up to the other edge. I think I'm gonna have to use 2 rolls and then I'll wrap it underneath, and I will have to try to maneuver around these pipes up this end as well, but it should be all good. So we'll get this worktop clean first. guys, the utility room is finished, and I know I say this a lot, but I am actually obsessed. It's been a couple of days since we completed everything. It's now Tuesday, we finished up on Sunday, and every time I walk into the kitchen and I see the utility room on my right hand side, I just get so excited. It's come together so well. I'm really happy with it. I'm going to link everything that I used down in the description box for you. It's so much more practical, so much more functional. I'll show you this section here. This is a wall airer and it is just fantastic. I secured it to the wall with some hollow wall anchor plugs, like some real, they're called grippets, but they're really good wall anchor plugs for like plasterboard walls like mine, because it's quite heavy and it holds up to 30 kilograms of weight. But look, it's got loads and loads of our towels on there, and they were obviously soaking wet this morning. I haven't had to put anything on radiators or over the banister or in the tumble dryer. So this is going to save us some money. I'm really happy. But yeah, I hope that you like it. Let me know in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more future DIYs. We've still got the bathroom renovation to do. I'll catch you up on that in a separate vlog. But yeah, I hope that you liked it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.